Hello all, my name is Krish Nayak and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, I hope you like this specific look. So recently I had been to Tirupati and I am a huge fan and dedicated follower of Lord Venkateshwara. So in my family usually my parents, my relatives usually go every year over there. But from past many years I could not go. So I thought why not, this is the right time to go over there. And again, at the end of the day, I usually just don't pray for myself. I pray for every one of you out there, so that the job market is good, should be good, and probably you get a lot of opportunities and many more things. So yes, for some days you will be seeing me in this way itself, but let me know in the comment section whether you like this look or not. What we are going to discuss in this specific video, because there are many questions that still comes from freshers, experienced people who really want to become an entrepreneur, in which sector, in which skill sets they should definitely work, and one more important thing is that obviously startups right now in India is in completely boom. You get a lot of fundings. Now fundings is based on your product idea, what you're specifically developing, how scalable it is, and many more things. And it is always good to know all this specific knowledge from one or the other place. This way you will be able to understand which skill sets you should really focus on, which technology you should really work on. And even with respect to job perspectives also, you can think that, hey, this company is probably getting this much this much funding, we can also go ahead and apply. Because whenever a company gets funding, obviously a lot of hiring will be there for the product building, marketing, and many more things. So I usually refer to a lot of sites, but for a quick, like if you just have 5 minutes every day, 5 to 10 minutes to just get an idea how you specifically go ahead and probably check it. I'll just show you. Okay. So right now, if you don't know about this website, Inc42, and there is also one more website, and Tracker. So I will probably go ahead with both the website and show it to you. As my personal interest is in AI, generative AI and all, and right now probably in upcoming months or in the recent few months, Gen AI is really doing amazing in the market. Many people are coming up with a lot of products ideas they're building, and they're also getting a lot of fundings, right? So here you can see some of the amazing stories. Indian Gen AI startup tracker, 60 plus startups putting India on the global, right? So here you can probably see all these companies are specifically working on AI products. They are creating some amazing things over here, right? Specifically, there in most of the companies that I've actually seen, they are using generative AI, they're using AI concepts, and they're building some amazing projects. In term specifically, if I talk about this, all companies, they're working in LLM models and all. Some of the companies are also working in LLM inferencing. Some of the companies are working in building LLM solutions. Many more things are there. And probably if you see all these specific companies, there are a lot of scopes with respect to generative AI. And when we talk about these startups are well funded, amazingly well funded, and now they're also creating that global presence. This is one of the way why I specifically say, hey, generative AI is a skill set probably for this upcoming 5 years. You will be able to get jobs if you are skilled enough, if you know how to develop applications. Definitely, if you try to apply in all these kind of companies itself, right, you have a good amount of chances to get hired. Along with that, you will also be able to see Lightspeed, 41 million funding, Sense AI, 25 million fundings, Peak XV backed, Bright Money raises 62 million funding, discussed AI opportunities, this is there, OpenAI ChatGPT applications. So the normal news are also there with respect to this. One more thing, if you probably see, there is one website which is called as NTracker. So this will also give you an idea like how weekly fundings are happening, in which all companies, because see, many companies are from different domains also. What I've seen from the past couple of months, right, the companies that are specifically getting funding, they are using generative AI or AI as the core thing to probably mention in the entire world, right? AI is something which will definitely catch your eyes. I'm probably seeing in Shark Tank also, right? In Shark Tank, whenever I see some kind of pitches, specifically in that app developed, right? Hey, we are using this AI technology and we are building this. It will provide you recommendation. It will probably check your entire analytics and give you some amazing information, right? But just seeing that, you'll be able to understand. If you know something more about AI, at least you'll be able to understand how things works, right? So AI is probably becoming the buzzword. And if you see with respect to every week funding, right, like 1 to 6th funding, what has happened over here, So there are many companies information. So this is how the pages look like. The main information is like they'll provide you information, and the reason why I'm talking about all these things, because it is our duty. We should definitely check out this so that we can plan like what all things we should really work on, what is the key thing that is required in the market also. So here you can see funds launched, so many crores of money, and this week probably is becoming less funding had actually come, but most of the funding were in the AI. So here you'll be able to see founder of CoinSwitch launched wealth tech platform. So this basically they are in web3, CoinSwitch, if you know about this is a trading platform for bitcoins or cryptocurrencies in short. So 4-year-old with Freight, then in LS Digital. So all this kind of news, you'll specifically be able to see it. Along with that, all the funding information, what all things are there, profit loss, everything you'll be able to see over here. If I go ahead and see in another funding news, let's say, so just make it as a habit so that you will be able to see all these things, right? So Indian Startups Weekly funding highlights. So you'll be able to see total funding across 17 deals, 125.13 million. Country-wise, state-wise also it will say number 1 was Patna with respect to funding, Number 2 was Hyderabad. Number 3 was Mumbai. 5th was Bangalore. Agra was here, Kolkata was here, Delhi NCR. So if you are also very new to, or if you want to get into the journey, you can actually understand, where most of the people are getting funding from which all states, or those startups where they are specifically working. So all this information you'll be able to see. Now, why I am showing you this, right? And I'm not just mentioned two sides, right? I usually keep this habit because it helps me to understand about the market. It helps me to understand which skill set should I really work on. And right now, till now, guys, if you see all the videos in my channel, right, most of the things I'll discuss with respect to the things that are currently going on, so that it will be helpful for you. And that is what I have always done. From machine learning to deep learning to MLOps, you'll be able to see nowhere hardly you'll be able to see a dedicated end-to-end kind of projects and all. But what I do is that in my channel, I make sure that I try to upload all those things. So two important things that I really want to convey from this specific video. One is that what skill sets you're specifically looking at, what kind of work you are really looking at, what kind of domain you are really looking at, right? So this is very much important. So obviously you should think in perspectives like which companies are performing well in the market, why investors are funding them, right? Here, what I'm seeing, most of the companies are working in generative AI fields. They're specifically creating products. So obviously, a generative AI engineer may have more jobs. An ML engineer may have more jobs. An ML ops engineer may have more jobs. Data scientists may have more jobs, right? Because their entire life cycle will be running, right? The second thing is that it's not like only AI companies are probably getting funding. There are other companies also which are getting funding. There you'll be able to understand which domain is working well, right? Healthcare, agriculture, fintech, right? So with respect to perspective, like if you know all these companies are doing well, they're getting huge amount of funding. Now this also gives you an idea, hey, I can go to this company's career page and start applying for jobs. Whether you are a fresher, whether you are an experienced person. Even though you are a fresher, it will be good that you try to drop a mail directly to the founder saying that, hey, I am okay to work for free initially, right? Once I probably satisfy myself, satisfy my work to you, right? I will be happy to get paid, and you can pay me some amount of money. And this is what you have to keep with respect to exploring the jobs, right? So I hope you like this particular video. This was it from my side. And yes, I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you and all. Take care. Bye-bye.